Ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 days before the CLAT hits us. I want to talk about two things. One, what is it that you can do in the next 3 days? And number two, what is it that you must do on the D-Day? Let's start with the first one. What is it that you can do in the next 3 days? Now, you might be thinking of revising certain things. Obviously, you can't learn anything new in 3 days. It's not impossible, but I'm guessing that you will not try it. You may be revising some old mocks. You probably would be revising some GK. You can do all that. But I believe what is absolutely important to be in the right frame of mind. Be positive, right? You have put in all the effort. You had your ups. You had your downs, right? But those are done. Those are over. Now we are looking forward to that D-Day. And on the D-Day, we know that we'll do well. Put yourself in the right frame of mind. And if for some reason, some negative thought crops up in your mind, stand in front of the mirror, look at yourself and say, I'm sorry for being negative. Stand in front of the mirror and say, you are awesome. You will do well. Be positive, ladies and gentlemen. That is what you can take to the examination hall and prepare yourself. Be in the right frame of reference. Now, you might have some bad mocks recently. It doesn't matter. All that doesn't matter. You are putting in your effort. You know how much this means to you. Be positive. That would be my advice for the next 3 days. That's it. Now, on the D-Day, there are a lot of things that we don't know. There are some things, of course, that we know. That is going to be 150 questions. There'll be 5 sections. You'll be given 120 minutes. There'll be 1 mark for each question and minus 0.25 if you get something wrong. That's all we know. We really don't know what a good score is going to be. We don't. Because that depends upon the level of difficulty of the paper. Now that we don't know. We don't know which section is going to be easy, which section is going to be difficult. We don't know. Within that section, whether the level of difficulty is going to be uniform, that also we don't know. We don't know what kind of questions they're going to give in GK. We just don't know. So, don't have, I repeat, don't have any target in your mind. Don't keep any target score in your mind. You are going to enter the examination hall. Your job is very simple. You look at each question. If it's a passage, read the passage at the pace of your comprehension. Go to the question and make good decisions. If you can answer, you answer. If you're getting confused, just skip the question and move on. Just make simple decisions during those 2 hours. And whatever is a sequence that you plan, you can stick to that. But more importantly, I'm sure that you have got certain time limit that you set for each of the section. Stick to that, no matter what. And I'm sure that you will do well. And after the test, ladies and gentlemen, you and I will sit and we'll talk about your success and how awesome it has been, this whole journey of prepping for the CLAT. I wish you the very best.